Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you are coming here, I say a very big welcome. We appreciate you all. As a matter of fact, since some time now, I've been working on different type of products. Like as I promised, I said I have a lot of product to really sample to you, to us, And this product, I just want this product to fit every class. When I mean every class in the society, I want the product to fit every class and also equal effective or more effective. All right, it's not at all when because it's the cost price is low, so yeah, they have to reduce the effect now, or the cost price is high, so they have to make the effect. No, we make the effect unique. The effect is effect. That is why I introduced to you Sera White. Look at it. All right, this Sera White soap is very easy to use, and trust me, a lot of people, they say I've been using different products, they are not working. I can show you products, I can name names of products you go to buy and they don't work. You use them and you use them to promise they don't work. Now I give to you a unique soap that when you use it, your skin, your skin will be so white. Your skin, I mean, your skin will be. If you have a soft skin, in 1 week you see result with this Sera White soap. This Sera White soap, if you have a skin that is very unique, like your skin is soft, in 1 week you see result. Then if your skin is too strong, in 2 weeks you see result. In 2 weeks you see result. Sera White. All right, so this one will not say, oh, my skin is stubborn. Even if your skin is, madam, use them. Sera White is for us. All right, for stubborn skin. All right, in here we have lavender, we have papaya, we have the carrot one, even Sera White. So if you say I'm allergic to some kind of fruits, papaya, you go for the carrot one. If you are allergic to carrot, you go for the papaya. So we have different type of Sera White. So all you just need to do, just get your hand on this and start using. If you want to get white, like you want to white, you have to use it with your lotion, or you don't want to use it with your lotion, this soap will get you white. Sera White is very unique and very effective. You can see good reviews about it. This is a Thailand product that we customize. I will sample you. You can use it. See, a lot of people like the way you people use if you have active soap that that is really working, those are the classes you can compare with this. But I don't want to name soaps that you do buy that are not working, and it's not cost. How much? It's 2K, 2,000 naira. You've got to Sera White. All right, yes, 2K. I'm giving you wholesale price. 2K. You've got to Sera White. You'll be using with your lotion. All right. If you have any effective lotion, fine. Use a better lotion to it and get clean. Your skin will be 7 shades. Not that when you say, hey, because it's 2,000 and I say mini is cheap. No. Sera White is not like that. And then again, it helps to reduce those that have fine lines. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. All right, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles and make you white. So it's more or less a whitening and also organic. So in fact, for us that we're having this side effect, this is what you should be using it, and it's safe and healthy for our skin. I've been telling you, I can't see any soap that you can use to compare with this soap. Right now, Sera White is one of the highest soap in the market. All right, so please, if you need to buy this soap, you can only see it in Austin Global. You just contact us. All right, look at them. We have them in stock. Much of it, we have them in stock. When I mean in stock, so for us, we'll be looking for, like, maybe this one they say osha bra bra, osha mwen osha bra bra, that you'll be calling this and they are not working. I beat hand with my chest on these products. Sera White is the unique soap you need. You can use it to premix. If you can afford it, yes, of course. You can afford it. It's affordable. 2K, that's the wholesale price, and you can use it to promise for your customers. You add other ones, you can use it as your base. So please let me correct this. Because I know you will ask this. Somebody I told you can use an activator to activate your cream to promise. A person just go pick a pack base, just pack base, just base cream, raw base cream, and 1 liter of base cream, and he threw the activator put. After he used that, he could come and say, the thing no work. What are you saying? So you don't even know how to promise. You pick, even if you put pack alpha butin or pack thiamidol, just pack thiamidol, put for inside base cream and rub. Will it work? No, let's be honest to ourselves. Sometimes we do things and it sounds so very nervous, So I wouldn't want you to be in such a person, please, all right? So when I say this, use this as your base plus your additive, your product will become so much effective, Yes, those are product, that's how to promise. It's not because I said, oh, this one is this, is that, is good, and it's very effective, then you pick this one and you just put it, and that you're promising, you put this one, and you did not put any other activity. For those who want to promise in large quantity, you still put your every other additives, all right? So, but what I'm telling you, this is a base that you can use to premix, and it will be very, very more effective, all right? So then again, another question you would want to ask me, like, how many will I take? You can pick as many as large you want to pick to make your base. All I ask you, put your additives, all right? Put every additive you will put to make the soap more effective, all right? That's how to promise. Nobody just tell you this is an activator and you don't put anything on it. No, all right? If or less, you are not using it to promise, you can be using it alone. If you are using it alone, 1 week, 2 weeks, you will get white. 1 week and 2 weeks, you will get white. 1 week and 2 weeks, you will get white. So listen good. If you're looking for a better soap, you can call us, all right? Tomorrow again, I will be dropping a video about powders, original powders to new powders, all right? So please, we've come to the end of this review and class. If you have any question, you can always ask. I'm open to answer. And if you want us to train you all via video call or Zoom, all you need to do, register with us and let's do a good training. I believe in practical, not just theory. You go see me, I will be doing it, or you will be doing it. I will be telling you what to put and all that, all right? That's how the school is. We don't do a theory that we don't do give you ebook that you'll be reading, and later when you ask questions, we say, oh, your question is too much, then we block you. We don't do all that. So please have this in mind. We ship everywhere. You can see them. We have them much more, all right? So before this batch finish, make sure you be part of people who get testimony on this, all right? So we've come to the end of the class. Bye-bye.